Yada say ya mo kwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumadie yi eso yada radio asese na watching so wahwe nso abedru ne de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne etodwa wo mu bia wo betini Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama de ato NCA anim se radio stations ahodo bi a woje won tumi fi won semani die mu a woma won da pen kakra bi won fanya ne a woso won mo yenti wonsam mie ma won ye de honsam no ebebro na fe yakọ aban so ede ato edwa ana wode to aban animo senka womboa akuafo wontrete won mo ahye mu na nobaya national asase no ede ka na eba eno ne nsem bi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Oko Go TV channel no ye 119 say DSTV so 280 call adomonline.com and same way in same bebre wo ho YouTube on so Adom TV tube ye wo ho midi de afia abankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den sem ni chemu ankasa etie Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama de ato so for her communications digital technology and innovation so say one National Communications Authority any de mo besre won mo to media wo free radio stations bia won sheda nye won ema yie no eni de won san ma won mre kakra won fanye sensiesie no na anya dia na no ho aso twen se de mra no tie no won akoso de aye adwuma kase no etwaso
Sai free man penyin atena ye ebetu odwa enei aye humomo bosome de to so dumienu afempinu ene edunu numimu no ena wo kire mu se efa ho se National Communication Authority efa mra kwan so ene ye wonum adwuma no na anamon a watuo no ede hawo ebeba emsemtwura adwuma fa ahodie so esan se ehu hia sese ada obodwumaku ahodo a wokotutu mu no woma wonum akwanya se de ebeya obeye wonum enhyehye yie no watumi akto so aye wonum adwuma ansana mampanyini ede sankrata yi eba betudwa no na National Communications Authority edi nkan akotutu de obodwumaku eduosia mienu emu esan se wokire mu a wonum ebu Electronic Communication Act ene emra hodo bi eso subo bi a wode bo wonum ntie nam so ema wokotutu wonum de obodwumaku ni mu no ebi ene se tumikrata wode ama wonum se wode ye adwuma no ebra esese wode ye adwuma no atwam afi sika bi esese wontua ye eno da nchen a transmission limit esese wo ye adwuma ewo mu no wonum atra ene afoforo bi a eka ho saa de obo adwumaku a wotutu mu na ebi eka ho ene Happy FM Asasi Radio Wuntumi FM Gabi Asari ochireda ako ya Asasi Radio de obodwumaku no woye kebi omuni no ekotroto abe fonten time so se wagitumu se tumi krata Asasi Radio wo aisese wonum ede adwuma no ebre esese wonum ekwaje foforo no epa ho esan se ehine mebosome wa afimpinu ene edunu nan mu ena nan kesese wonum ekwaje foforo nanso opanima abosome ni mu ena wonum etumi kwaje ye nanso Mampani John Dramani Mahama ede atugya se emfa ho se esese de obodwumaku yi edi enhyehye so no eni se akwanya omanyi amamra edema wonum no obun wani egusuo
Yanto so na nim de 4 ya one more car horticulture expo 2025 ekoso won kran no wode eto mpanifo anim abra no so se kuafo ye nsakraye ewo wonwuma no mu na fe niema bi a eda akono ewose ye de ma akuafo na tumi aboa won ma ne won mu ye won makoso aye ne dodo won mu kasa mu no edisi so kire mu se kuani bedro no ba ye no bebe wi akire na fe ni tonum so aye de na pro na se sa de ni nyina no emadwuma no ye ne ye den ti se bia ye hia bi kura wo man mu a yenya bewi akire na ka suso ntimpanifo ani hwe ho na akuafo ne ma bia ese ye ma won na wadwuma no emu ya akono no mpanifo nye ema won.
We must ask ourselves, why not Ghana and why not now? And that is why this year Horticulture Expo practical tools for transformation, from drip irrigation system to solar-powered cold storage, from blockchain traceability to financing models for youth agribusiness-led, these are just innovations. These are just not innovations, they are necessities. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, one of our most forward-looking economic propositions of our time is the 24-hour economy. And I say this with deep conviction. If there is any sector prime to benefit from this policy, it is horticulture.
Dr. Prince Kofi Klujasen founder wada Settle Networks Ghana ano. Ono nso ebisa NCA ekuafo ewo maimu no enuane a adwadifu hia yesese wonum edidi dwuma no wontumi enyama wonum.
Global demand for tropical fruits, pineapple, mango, coconut is projected to grow to over 30% by 2030. Are we prepared to lead that growth? One of the major issues, one of the committee I serve on Asia, that if you look at only the coconut, kitikiti or chicken, even KFC alone, Ghanaian farmers cannot supply the demand for KFC alone, which is a major, major disaster. We need to quickly equip. We can do that. Now, farming and the market is not only for export. One of the things I'm inviting our friends in the private sector is that let us make sure we build grocery stores so that all the farm can go through those areas. If you go to India, you see all those issues, there. Now, the franchises that are really all over the world must be attracted into this country so that we can be able to feed all the agro and the horticulture product.
Country Director de McLean Desmond appear nene one day the ubona kwakura ka mu sebeya adehia won mu di atrentwe wo kwanso no omo behunu ohawa wo mu entutuo ne niema ya sesesese ne yahumiko ni padua mu a esunsun saso de ebreye nti ewoso wo mutimu nsam na wonatwe won ho afiri suban bi etese mu VVIP station ne wo circle ehɔ no mo ekɔ da wubo yi a wo kyerɛ mu so ɔha mu nkyɛmu aduanan 40% air pollution yenya o my Ghana mu no dodo no a yɛ transport emu ne yenya free prince so siedu etwaso
wo eja hyehyɛ emusi a efiri mu na de yarewa ema ɔmanfo ntinu clean air ɛde nkyɛkyɛ ama ɔmanfo a wɔn efiri nkran de wɔn ani akyerɛ ɛyɛ wa wɔlegatanga a wɔn egu bus mu na abrancheche no air cost country director a ono and the clean air anu just na fear any Adom news central for edge body to dwa the NCA wo etu sana mo
the NCA launch bus education no and say Ghana ha air pollution enframamu efin e won framamu no we your ha emu 40% no if you transport section. Enti yehu se e wose ye ma ya adwen start call transport sector no so na again ye nua no mutu kwan krofo nya time ye wo buses mu a ye hwe TV ye hwe video ni ade enti ye wo animation a ya ye te se videos a e24 e wo inframamu boni no the emane
a passengers a womo egu bus mu a womo ne Adom news central for e twetwe nkomo womo so adesua womo nya free mu no womo ne Adom news central for chebi
me hu se obi sunra meka hwe ne say eni kwan se o because emwa ya pomodin nti o ma zoom lion for ana o ma ese se o mo ye no mo mbra na o mbetiku
amane boy mi amedi free ye Kwame Nkrumah circle e de bra no bedin e de prince owusu esiedu Adom news
State Interest and Governance Authority siga nene wonu mo hia akukudam ene wonu mo di nkomo akere wonwuma na wo ye no so mfasode se wo mbedi amamra no eso na enwuma no nso de ahye won sa no wo mbeye no pepepe se de ahye no etie.
So today's gathering was to draw out those that have not been signing performance contracts or those that have had very weak commitment to the performance contract regime to come on board and get a better explanation for us at SIGA to learn about what fears or challenges or concerns they may have and have those concerns addressed for them so that they will feel more comfortable and be at peace with the whole idea of signing performance contracts. And as you might have seen, the explanations appear to have gone down well with many of them, or all of them who had showed up here today. Because performance contract helps you, the entities. It allows you to benchmark your performance. It allows you to have key performance indicators. And it allows you to also comply regularly with statutory obligations as far as submission of reports are concerned.
Raneka saye mu no wakire mu se nhyiamu no eba awiye no wonom a wokohyiamu ho no mu nyina no ehye bo se wonom beka wo ho abomu na se de sese woye won dwuma ema ne boa wo man enkan kro no waye ne saa.
What is important is to see how best we can encourage those who have taken over following the political transition to be able to do better than mentioning their names again. I think there is a limit to negativity, right? We want to encourage them, so we wouldn't like to be mentioning their names in the press for now. Rather, we should give the new leadership of these entities an opportunity to feel that they are fully supported with a new positive vibe to do well.
Yatwa Kasiano so Nenra don't hear best Naina Health Committee, one Rashibeja Fiemu, and a 1 year a Nimde Wapomudimo to one Tosho Dindin a funnel. Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association to Yatia don't should we actually know Yahuni Kusi, a Munsem Kakra Yaye any.
Celebration with the nurses. The nurses are going to have a session with their council, and we are hopeful for a good news. There's no other news again. We are done. Thank you.
Dr. Mark Kurt Nawani, Adom Tinania Wada Health Committee no ano, wade atuja se nhyiemu a omoye no, wonom ahye wombo se enche kura asemde ebepiem.
And we must say that we've been sitting down for the past 4 hours. From 10 o'clock up to 2 o'clock. And we've had a very fruitful negotiations. We've tried to understand each other. We have tried as much as possible to synchronize our activities. And now, what we can say at this moment is that the discussions were fruitful.
And Kamanta Mimo so for Linda Oklu de to MMDCs and Penifo anymore say one moment Simono project Bia Yenwe and one has one more ebe and son and ye be before be or one more ebe in seminal any.
Sikana ye babe releasing ye finance minister or the guidelines into guidelines as RCC. Yeah, then say about monitors in a bay, yeah. Be a finance minister can. Your friends assemblies made on bushes. I can assure you, so with this competent friends, MC is now your form. Trust me. Obia be Juma. So your friends, whether MPP who da say NDC and CPP who da, they will make sure say they will deliver.
Nga West mensini krache John Desmond Sowa editu just say ne mensini ni mu hono mono enwuma bebre wo hono mu a wahase a waja ato hono mu a wanwie na sika wo hia ohamu nchichemu aduonu ya wode amano no obebo moden ase wode bedi dwuma no se de ebe ya ebeboa wo no
Uba Ga West Hospital one of miankasa me priorities me pese me pushing schools hospitals, CHIPS compound. Abandoned project in Ga West Hospital, Kessia War Pano, emergency unit or no Iswa, Omusi, Omuya ground floor pet, and Omujai, Omuntminye. And by part of this allocation, the very ensure say we would complete it, at least add a floor to it, so that a bit me are containing patients. No? Then CHIPS compound, provision of CHIPS compound, idea be Udumasi. Yeah, but you need Skadia and other places because the idea is say what CHIPS compound or most electoral areas now, then not everyone would have to rush to the municipal hospital.
Adishia ya one more say we ashim wo baby any and we are so be quite mensimu Western North Montemu ya charity company for officer telephone monkomodie omodie enye kra wo ho ebimpo ni ho na wo mo akasa so wo munya nso so a network ne nye to wo wasem atuja
Kroma yati yenya network ye be bobo mo di kra network ntimi nye so bi yare kra na so ohia ka kra na ontimi frɛ ayapa no kwasem de ye ho kire ya ha pa iso ko frupo
ene ube sendi sika ube yisika ube frɛ obi ne no bedi nkita ho ewo abɛfo nkita ho die de ye enhiem de ye de ye nka ho kra
ni network na nye easy ya juma ma ye no network na ye de ye juma se obi the insurance ba e was say obo ni CC code ni nyina ye network by sometimes ye ntimi kra bo CC code nti o say ebo ano ni ade ko be kwan ni ye kobo so obi ko ha wa ma na duro ma ne ko ba ti card na ye da enti e ye problem ka se pa de ma enhie man
Assembly member awo Sampatemo Ebenezer Japan Nana Yamanso Tosu Mienu ono anaye ohene awo Sampatemo ensem se tudwa
Amesra yewura Sam George ene yewura honorable brata Samuel Brenfo se bempanifo se kuntunkundu fata barema de a se na ya peso so fata oba we ka me so me kan sa ne se yeyi bibie ni efiri ho ne yeyi bekwa efiri ho ne yeyi hunchibre efiri ho a anhiem ene so pa adet na bekwa e wo network hunchibre wo network a anhiem de ye ni network aha ye pa
MP MCE womo enso ni American mu ye pa no moma enuru President Mahama Asum srano ara anidie achapa ne ahobraseye mu se wonfa ose anye oyo se de minim se oka ebam na ohye egira no ye ni dan kwan se ye hwe
Yenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brama kwan na ye de asie da semre ne adaje a wode ma ye wada ro ma twen ye ne mfa de bonkrata no ne online de ento so